This video will discuss some of the new features that have been added to ConcreteBending version 6. Let's get started. In ConcreteBending, the mesh can now be refined at load points and point supports to obtain more accurate models with fewer plate elements and shorter analysis times than was possible in previous versions of the program. The finite element method used by ConcreteBending is approximate, and the accuracy of the solution depends on how fine the mesh is in the model. Therefore, it is important to refine the mesh until the model converges to ensure that the results of interest are accurate. Since this feature is similar to the one added to Visual Foundation 11, see the Visual Foundation Mesh Refinement training video for more information. In ConcreteBending version 6, punching shear reinforcement can be specified at both load points and point supports, and the punching shear design can be performed according to the ACI 318 or the CSA 23.3 design specifications. When punching shear reinforcement is specified, capacity is checked at both the critical section through the slab shear reinforcement and the critical section outside the slab shear reinforcement. Since this feature is also similar to the one added to Visual Foundation 11, see the Visual Foundation punching reinforcement training video for more information. The Design Rebar Patterns dialog box has been significantly improved in ConcreteBending version 6. This is the same improvement that was made in Visual Foundation version 10. Therefore, see Visual Foundation's Design Rebar Patterns training video for more information. In ConcreteBending version 6, the plate result diagram has been overhauled. You can access the diagrams by right-clicking in the Analysis view, or you can click and drag a slice through the slab to view the results in the slice direction and location. In the plate's result diagram, you can choose the number of plots and which plots you want to view. Furthermore, you can modify the slice direction and the coordinate location if you want to view results in the other direction or at a different location. One nice feature is that the chart settings persist. This allows you to exit the dialog box, make an adjustment to the model, or select a different result case and pick back up right where you left off. ConcreteBending version 6 now ensures area loads are properly modeled before starting the finite element analysis. For example, a ring or tubular load with a thickness that is small relative to the size of the mesh plates may lead to a significant portion of the load not being generated. When this occurs, the analysis fails and an error message appears in the tool tip. Note, it is important to always refine the mesh and review and verify the analysis results of your model. The functionality of the drawing grids in ConcreteBending 6 has been improved, and the names of the drawing grids have been simplified. Selecting a beam in the program, you can now specify the number of shear legs for the beam instead of it being limited to only 2 shear legs. In the report view, a feature has been added to help you filter the table extremes. This is the same feature that was added to Visual Analysis 19 and is therefore covered in the Table Extremes training video for visual analysis. The justification for columns in the report table can be modified. Simply right-click on the column to set the justification for that column to left, center, or right. In addition to adding new features to ConcreteBending 6, other minor changes and fixes have been made along with improvements to the help file, which is accessed by clicking the button in the ribbon. We hope you enjoy the new features of ConcreteBending 6. Thanks for watching and have a great day.